Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, alishanmao here. Going to fly my KDS Innova 550 once again today. So wish me luck. Let's have some practice, some fun with this big old helicopter. There we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, the wind is from backside. I have to keep that in mind. Oh, when this thing comes closer, man. You don't want this thing to come closer to you. Oh, I did my Piro Flips once again today, and today I pulled many of the Piro Flips successfully. Alhamdulillah and mashallah. So let's land and call it a day. Sun is going out. My old beast still rules the sky here, huh? Mashallah, it feels so good to fly this helicopter. It's very locked in with my probably 10 years old Micro Beast X flight controller. Alhamdulillah, everything is so good. You know what? I really need to get more big helicopters. They cost a lot, but hey, I think I'm gonna save some money for two things. One, bigger helicopter. Two, converting my little SUV for camping for 4 people, because nowadays we love to camp, and recently we camped at Hangnan paragliding base, and I and kids were playing hide and seek. We actually, alhamdulillah, loved every moment there. So I gotta prepare some funds for preparing my car, this old car, for camping, so that we can do better and more comfortable camping. So helicopters and camping, people, is gonna be more fun. I mean, I would love to fly these big helicopters at most beautiful spots that we can go camp and enjoy. So stay tuned for more videos coming your way soon. Have fun, people. Stay subscribed, and don't forget to turn on all the notifications. Don't forget the channel membership is also on. Not only channel membership supports our channel and our work, but also you get to enjoy extra cool perks on my channel. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.